This is an orca. This is Janet. They both live in British Columbia. She loves the same things as the orca,
Pooping in the ocean?
with the exception of pooping in the ocean.
Communication through clicks and whistles?
No, Janet communicates through the press release.
Occasionally subsisting on seals, which she grabs in her powerful jaws, stuns through a snap of her head, and then swallows.
While it is possible Janet once did that in the context of sorority initiation, it's not an activity she has made habitual. Like the orca, Janet loves clean oceans, a full life, lucrative stock options, and climbing the corporate ladder.
What?
She hates the same things that orcas do too.
Joe Oliver.
Janet does not hate Joe Oliver, nor do orcas hate Joe Oliver.
Orcas constantly whistle and click extreme disaffection for Joe Oliver.
Janet hates oil spills.
Oil spills.
Spilly, oily oil spills.
Who does Janet work for?
Enbridge,
Enbridge is responsible for a whole lot of oil spills.
but none so far on an orca. Janet just wants BC to give Enbridge the chance
To spill oil on an orca.
to prove that orcas are the one thing Enbridge won't spill oil on. They would rather spill oil on Janet.
Likely, orcas would rather they did too. And she doesn't poop in the ocean.
In her CV under pastimes, that is not mentioned.